Moving on to news from Sri Lanka. The International Commission of Jurists has asked that Sri Lankan government must repeal the controversial Prevention of Terrorism Act that gives the police sweeping powers to arrest suspects without trial. This comes after the government proposed reforms in the law, which the advocacy body has termed woefully inadequate.
The Sri Lankan government must repeal the controversial Prevention of Terrorism Act or PTA that gives the police sweeping powers to arrest suspects without trial. The International Commission of Jurists or ICJ said in a statement on Tuesday, adding that the proposed reforms by the right-wing government were woefully inadequate. The advocacy body said the proposed amendments to the law, such as the reduction of detention period and allowing a person detained for 12 months to seek bail, still allow for persons to be deprived of liberty for an entire year without being given the opportunity to be heard before a court of law. The proposed amendments have come before a session of UN Human Rights Council in March, which had last year called for a timeline to be set for PTA's comprehensive review or repeal. Critics warn the law is being used as a weapon targeting dissidents and minorities in the Buddhist-majority South Asian island nation. This comes as there have also been calls by right groups to release Sri Lankan human rights lawyer Hejaz Hizbullah, who has been imprisoned since April 2020 under the PTA. Sri Lankan authorities said he had been imprisoned for links to the perpetrators of the 2019 Easter bombings, which killed more than 250 people, the island nation's worst attack since the end of civil war in 2009.